Well, hello, guys. It's me, Melissa, and what you're seeing is my morning routine, the beginning of a fabulous self care day that I'm about to give myself. I take my vitamins and make sure that I get me some good old breakfast, in this case, a banana, and some coffee that I decided to make at home instead of jumping over to Starbucks and spending money to get it. Then I wanted to do my spiritual routine because that's one of my goals for 2024, to make sure I get this in every single day. And self care is no exception. I have to get it in even on self care days. So that's what I did. I sat for about 30 minutes and truly enjoyed reading and I can't even say it, meditating on what I was reading and writing down some notes. It really started my day off well. Then I decided to get my self-care pad and decide what I wanted to do for the day for myself. And of that, I decided to include taking a nice long walk. I wanted to get an adult beverage later on. I needed some quiet time. I wanted to talk with a friend at some point today. And I wanted to do a hot bath, but for my feet. And I also wanted to have a little nature time. As you see here, I enjoyed picking these beautiful little berries that I saw, and you'll see what I do with those a little bit later. I also wanted to order takeout, and I needed a bear hug. So I checked that off on the sheet as well. I added curl my hair because that's something I hate doing. I hate doing my own hair. But today I wanted to just do it my way. And so you'll see me do that a little bit later. Here's those nature flowers that I found. I put the berries inside of water. They're not going to grow. I don't even want them to grow. But the beauty of them is what's going to satisfy me today. And there's me drinking my hot lemon and honey. That's what I love to drink after a nice long walk or short walk. It doesn't matter. The little nature flowers and berries just lightened up my space. And here I am checking off that I've already done my walk and my nature. And I'm about to get some quiet time in right about now. You won't see that part because I didn't record it, but that's the purpose. It's a quiet time, okay? Then I decided to get ready for my afternoon. I jumped in the shower, and y'all, I had to add dance to my self-care checklist, okay? Because when you got Janet, who needs cardio? Of course, and dancing makes me happy. So here I am trying to use my little tool I have at home that I purchased for my hair. And what it's supposed to do is give you some beautiful flowy curls. But because I had danced all of my humidity out of my hair, or actually I danced humidity into my hair, this is all I could do. This was the best I could do, but I like it. I like it. The wind is blowing, so I'm going to go and ring it my lashes did right quick. Hey, how y'all doing? I want some lashes. Looks different. I'm trying to grab something to eat. I'll be there at 3. I haven't been to Panera Bread in a long time, so this is definitely a treat. I used to come to this place all the time to sit and study and look over some lesson and stuff, but I haven't been. But I enjoyed it. I even had some change left, and I'm going to scan that receipt into Fetch Apps. When I arrived at the 3 o'clock appointment I made with my friends, I got to get a cocktail and, yes, a big bear hug. Thank you. I really enjoyed my 24-hour self-care dedicated hours. Oh, man. And I'm going to finish up my dedicated hours by tackling my feet, letting my feet rest. But before I do that, I wanted to share with you how I spent my self-care fund, what I have left over, and what I plan to do with these leftovers. So as you know, I did a savings challenge puzzle, and I made $360 off of my savings challenge puzzle that I dedicated to my self-care fund. And I just chose a day where it would be all about what I wanted to do. And when I tell you, I really and truly enjoyed myself. It was no nothing that I did not do. It was highly needed. It was needed. I'll say that. I checked off a lot of things that I did. The only thing that I have not checked off yet is the hot bath, but I don't want to take a hot bath. I want my feet to take a hot bath. So I went out and I purchased some products using some of my nail and feet money, and I plan to do that as soon as I finish up this video. But everything else I was able to do, as you see in the video. I found these self-care slips in a store, and I wanted to run down right quick everything that I had checked off. I wanted a nice long walk, an adult beverage, quiet time, talk with a friend, a hot foot bath, nature time. I added lashes, ordering takeout, bear hug. I added curl hair, dance, and music, and I was able to do it all. So let's start. I don't have these in any particular order, but let's start in my just spending fun. As you see, I do have a lot of change here, and so I'll start off by saying this change, or any change that's in here, will be going to my coin jars, pennies, and the silvers. And for my just spending, I had dedicated myself $80, and I could spend that on whatever I chose to spend it on. And I do have receipts that I will scan into my Fetch app. The Fetch app is something that I earn reward points, and I can turn those reward points into gift cards. And so that's what I've been doing with that. If you want to join or interested in checking it out, I've left my referral code in the description, and I think if you join and you scan your first receipt, you'll get points, I'll get points. It's a win-win. But out of my just spending, I had $1 and change left. So we're gonna put that right there. Well, I'm gonna put that right there. All right, out of my release travel, I gave it $60. So out of that, I had $8 remaining. We'll put that there. Tea time, I didn't have anything remaining. I had allocated $5 for tea time, but because my shop sells tea, then of course I was going to purchase tea from my shop, and so that's what I did. Starbucks, I had allocated $10 to that. Y'all, I did not go to Starbucks. I have coffee. My shop also have coffee. So I enjoyed coffee that was already available to me. I didn't want to go and spend, and that was truly different. But I wanted to be frugal. I wanted to be sensible, and I wanted to relax and just do it how I wanted to do it. So that's what I did. I made my own blueberry latte at home and enjoyed my regular coffee at home, and I enjoyed that. So I had $10 left in my fund. For massage, I allocated $40 for that. Now this, if I had to say I was a little disappointed in anything, it would be that I didn't get by the shop to get my feet massaged. I really and truly wanted to get my feet massaged, and I still may do that, but I had allocated $40 to it, and I didn't do it. So I'm gonna just chalk it off. I'm gonna put it up, say, hey, I saved it. I didn't spend it. Frugally, I didn't spend it. I didn't spend it. On my hair, as y'all saw, I just got in the mirror and just did my hair any kind of way I wanted to do it. Yes, I could have went and set an appointment with my beautician at the last minute, let her do something quick and easy, because you know I don't like doing hair. I don't like doing my own hair. But again, it was all about what I wanted to do, and the little style that I came up with the little curly curls in the front, using one of my tools that I have for my hair at home, it worked for me, and I didn't have to spend much on hair. I dedicated $65 to it, and I did buy some hair products. I went to the store and bought some hair products, but No, I still have $45 left. So all I spent was what, $15 roughly. So I have $45 remaining. Now lunchtime, well, lunch me, I ate. I did enjoy 2 meals, and I have some receipts here that I gotta scan into Fetch app. I have 11 cents remaining in lunch me. When I tell y'all I did eat, and I got to eat at 2 places that I have not been in forever. It may seem simple, may sound like, oh, you don't go there, but Panera Bread and Applebee's, I have not been there in forever. I end up going to Panera Bread for lunch, and I actually end up getting me just a little half of a salad because I had set up an early dinner luncheon with a couple of friends, and we were going to go to Applebee's. She chose Applebee's. So I hadn't been there in like years. When I say years, I mean years. And I dedicated $20 to that. So you see, all I had was 11 cents left. I also got to do cocktail. Between my lunch me and my cocktail me, I had $40 total, and I had the 11 cents left because at Applebee's we laughed, we enjoyed cocktails, and it was great. It was really, really great. Now my hair and my nails and feet, I also have some more receipts that I have to scan into Fetch app. And this is where I bought some products that I will be using in just a minute to go in my personal foot bath. And I had some change left over from that category, and $21. And for my nails and feet, I had allocated $60. But truth be told, a little bit of this went towards a cocktail. But yeah, I had allocated $60 for nails and feet, but I bought a bunch of products that would not only last me for today, but it would also last me for any future upcoming nail and feet treats that I want to do with myself for self-care. And so one of those is to give myself a hot foot bath with the little foot massager that I personally have on my own. Had $21 remaining out of that. Now, I was going to just leave this into the envelopes and just kind of just use it when I need to. But what I decided to do instead of doing that was because I have a beauty and self-care envelope in my sinking funds and bill buffer box. I have a beauty and self-care envelope. I decided to go ahead and take some of this money and put it towards my beauty and self-care envelope. But now my ones, because y'all know I'm doing a ones and a fives and a 20s challenge. But my ones and my fives, I'm going to put it towards my ones and five challenge. But the 20s, I'm going to leave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's $100. I'm going to take $20 out, $40 out. And I'm going to put $60 into my self-care fund. Matter of fact, what I'm going to do is take these ones out of here as well, and I'll just put another 20 over here. So my self-care fund will get, beauty and self-care fund will receive $80 from that. And then these will go towards my my $1 bill challenge, my $5 bill challenge, and I'll put this 20 in there for my $20 bill challenge. And that's how I want to do that, because technically it's still my money to spend. Normally I don't like to put savings challenge money towards another savings challenge, but in this case it's gonna work out. It's gonna work out because I had a lot more money left over than I originally thought I would. So I'm glad of that. And this, of course, is going to go into my ones and my penny and silver coin jars. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this self-care. Give yourself a self-care day. Take 2 days if you need to. Dedicate some funds for it and just do what you want to do. Enjoy yourself. If you want to go out and get these things done, these luxuries done, the hair, the coffee, the Starbucks, the Dunkin', whatever you want to get, go and do that. Enjoy yourself, because that's what it's truly all about, that you enjoy it. Now I'm going to enjoy this hot foot bath that I'm about to do for myself and kick my feet up and enjoy some more quiet time. Okay? Thank you guys. Enjoy yourself. Bye-bye.